For years, Ring has dominated the outdoor home security market, and the latest developments make the brand even more compelling. Amazon's recent hardware announcement introduces an exciting lineup featuring upgraded 2K and 4K video recording capabilities, paired with advanced image processing designed to deliver sharper, clearer, and more detailed streaming footage. Today, we're conducting an in-depth analysis of two seemingly similar yet fundamentally different cameras, the Ring Outdoor Cam Pro and the Outdoor Cam Plus. While these devices share a similar appearance, their internal capabilities tell a completely different story. If you're weighing your options for the ideal Ring camera to complement your home security system, this comprehensive breakdown will help you make an informed decision. Upon initial inspection, distinguishing between the Outdoor Cam Pro and Outdoor Cam Plus proves challenging. Both feature sleek, compact designs with weather-resistant construction. Ring has maintained its signature versatile mounting system, allowing installation on walls, ceilings, or flat surfaces, providing remarkable flexibility regardless of your preferred location. Each model boasts identical, durable construction, engineered to withstand rain, extreme heat, and various environmental conditions. Surprisingly, both cameras function equally well indoors for those preferring a more discreet surveillance solution. That said, the Ring Outdoor Cam Pro exhibits a noticeably more premium finish with enhanced refinement. Given its status as Ring's most sophisticated anywhere-ready outdoor camera currently available, this elevated quality makes perfect sense. Ultimately, while aesthetic differences in mounting capabilities remain minimal, the Pro model's superior internal components and advanced technology create a significant performance gap. This category reveals the most substantial differences between these cameras. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus features Retinal 2K video resolution, whereas the Ring Outdoor Cam Pro elevates performance to Retinal 4K, Ring's unprecedented highest resolution offering. The Pro's capability to capture exceptionally sharp, intricately detailed footage becomes particularly evident during zoom operations. Its impressive 10 times enhanced zoom functionality enables clear close-up perspectives while maintaining exceptional clarity, a feature completely unmatched by the Plus. Beyond mere resolution increases, the 4K footage exhibits remarkably natural, lifelike qualities thanks to Ring's comprehensive image processing improvements. Their innovative retinal tuning system optimizes color accuracy, contrast enhancement, and low-light sharpness, ensuring even delicate textures and shadow details remain clearly visible. Despite this, the Outdoor Cam Plus delivers impressive performance considering its price point. Its 2K resolution satisfies most consumers' requirements, providing sharp, vibrant video footage that performs admirably during both daylight and nighttime conditions. However, direct side-by-side comparisons revealed the Pro's undeniable superiority. The footage appears considerably more cinematic, with enhanced detail, particularly noticeable in bright lighting conditions or when capturing distant subjects through zoom. For anyone prioritizing maximum video clarity, especially when monitoring expansive outdoor areas or driveways, the Outdoor Cam Pro represents the definitive choice. Conversely, those seeking dependable, quality video performance at significantly reduced cost will find the Outdoor Cam Plus delivers outstanding value. Both cameras demonstrate impressive low-light handling through Ring's innovative low-light sight technology. The Outdoor Cam Plus leverages this feature to maintain full-color video even in near-dark environments, meaning minimal ambient lighting from sources like street lamps or porch lights ensures everything remains visible in color. The Ring Outdoor Cam Pro advances this capability significantly by combining low-light sight with adaptive night vision technology. During near darkness, full color clarity persists. However, in complete darkness, the camera intelligently recalibrates its image balance, exposing details invisible to unaided human vision, subtle movements or shadowed faces, for instance. This sophisticated system dynamically optimizes white and black levels, delivering superior contrast and definition even under pitch-black conditions. Therefore, anyone prioritizing nighttime performance, particularly in poorly lit areas, will find the Pro model provides substantially enhanced night vision capabilities.
The Outdoor Cam Pro demonstrates remarkable advancement in this critical area. It incorporates 3D motion detection utilizing radar technology, the identical advanced system deployed in Ring's premium devices, including the Floodlight Cam Pro. This radar-based detection system provides exceptionally accurate alerts while dramatically minimizing false notifications. Users can configure precise custom motion zones targeting specific areas like driveways or front yards, receiving alerts exclusively when activity occurs within designated spaces, rather than constantly triggering notifications from sidewalk pedestrians. Conversely, the Outdoor Cam Plus employs Ring's conventional motion-activated notification system. While reliable and responsive, it cannot match radar-based detection's precision. Residents of busy neighborhoods with frequent vehicle traffic or pedestrian activity will likely experience increased false alerts with the Plus model. Consequently, for superior, more intelligent motion tracking capabilities, the Outdoor Cam Pro clearly prevails. Both cameras include live view and two-way talk functionality, enabling real-time visual monitoring and audio communication with visitors through the Ring application. However, the Outdoor Cam Pro amplifies this experience through Audio Plus technology, delivering noticeably clearer, more natural sound quality with improved echo cancellation. This enhancement creates smoother conversations, particularly valuable when communicating with delivery personnel or visitors via smartphone. Although the Outdoor Cam Plus handles audio competently, the Pro's superior sound quality is distinctly crisper, resembling a professional intercom system more closely. Both cameras integrate flawlessly with Ring's application, which continues ranking among the most user-friendly and thoughtfully designed security applications available. Through the app, users can establish privacy zones, deploy quick replies to discourage unwanted visitors, and synchronize additional Ring devices for consolidated dashboard monitoring. Both models support Alexa integration, enabling live feed display on Echo Show devices or customized notifications through Echo Dot speakers. The Outdoor Cam Pro provides additional options for detailed customization, including advanced motion zone mapping capabilities and full utilization of its 3D radar system. While both deliver excellent app experiences, the Pro offers enhanced control and more sophisticated tools for comprehensive security environment management. Let's address the crucial consideration. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus retails for $99.99, while the Ring Outdoor Cam Pro commands exactly double at $299.99. Does the Pro justify the additional $100 investment? For consumers demanding premium clarity, radar-powered motion detection, and superior low-light performance, the Pro absolutely merits its elevated price. However, those simply requiring a dependable, high-quality 2K camera delivering essential features beautifully will find the Plus offers exceptional value at half the expense. These cameras exemplify Ring's finest qualities: reliability, intelligence, and seamless ecosystem integration. The Outdoor Cam Plus achieves ideal equilibrium between performance and affordability, straightforward, clear, and dependable. The Outdoor Cam Pro, however, targets consumers desiring cutting-edge technology, retinal 4K clarity, 10 times enhanced zoom, 3D motion detection, and adaptive night vision that revolutionizes nighttime environmental visibility. Which camera appeals to you? The advanced, intelligent Outdoor Cam Pro or the economical Outdoor Cam Plus? Share your preference in the comments section.